Hello, chickens. Oh my goodness. Hello. Look at my beautiful birds. Look at these beautiful birds. There's all beautiful birds. A little girl. She's not thirsty. Look at all the chickens. Oh, quit your growling back there. Look at these chickens. Beautiful. Yeah. You can't get out and play with him. What's your problem there, little bozo boy? Look at that. How are you supposed to get that face in there? Look at this. Look at there's Jibby. Jibby. Oh, Jibby. What's going on over here? Oh, he's not gonna hurt you. T-bone, no big old my babies either. Look at this. That's, where'd Buddy go? Oh, look at you. Delicious snow. They won't come in. They've been having too much fun. What do you think about that, chickens? Says we want to see these chickens. We'd like to see these chickens. It's hard to film dogs. That's good. That's all they have. They want to get out. This is, we want to play. Those sissies over here.